Few months ago, I was at the library and I saw this one boy sitting with his laptop, typing like he was in some hacking competition. He looked super focused. I sat across from him because there was no other seat. And after 10 minutes, I finally asked, "What are you working on? Some college project?" He laughed and said, "No, I'm contributing to an open source project and the Google will actually pay me for this." And I was like, "Wait, what? Google paying for a student?" And that too for writing code from his home. And that was the first time I ever heard the word GSoC. And honestly, that moment stayed in my mind. Hi everyone, I'm Himanji here from the inGrade. And today I'm going to explain something that can literally change your entire coding journey. Google Summer of Code, also known as GSoC. If you have ever heard the name but never really understood what it is, or if you want to apply in 2026 but have no idea where to start, then don't worry. By the end of this video, you will have the exact roadmap, the application process, the expected date, and a clear idea of how you can actually become a part of this global program. So let's start with the basic. GSoC stands for the Google Summer of Code. Google started this program back in 25 with a simple idea to bring the student and the beginner developer into the world of open source software. Instead of giving the theory or a textbook problem, GSoC places you inside the real open source project where the thousands of people actually use the software you help to build. You work with the real mentor, real developer, real code base, and you contribute something meaningful. Imagine joining an international tech team from your room. That's exactly what GSoC feel like. And yes, the most mind-blowing part is that Google pay you for a stipend for your work. It's like getting paid for the learning and contributing at the same time. Now the big question here, how can you become a part of a GSoC? What is the roadmap? And most importantly, when does the 2026 registration open? So here's the thing. Every year, Google follows almost the same pattern. In 2025, the application window for the contributor opened on the March 24th and closed on the April 8th. So for the 2026, you can expect something very similar, late March to the early April. Before this application window opened, Google first released the list of a participating organization. Usually, this happened around the February. These organizations are the heart of a GSoC. They include the company, research group, and the open source community working in AI, machine learning, cybersecurity, web development, Android, blockchain, and so many other fields. Your journey truly begins when this list comes out. You go through the organization, read their project idea, explore their GitHub repositories, and see what aligns with your skill or interest. If you like the web development, you might choose an organization that works on the front end framework. If you love the AI, you may find the project related to NLP or the ML pipeline. If you are into the Android development, there are always Android focused organizations. The key is not to choose randomly. Take your time, explore 2 or 3 organizations deeply, and understand what type of work they expect. Once you select the organization you are interested in, you enter the communication phase. And trust me, this part is very important. You join their Slack, metrics, Discord, or the mailing list, whatever they use. You introduce yourself politely, ask the doubt if you have any, show the genuine interest, and try contributing in a small way. Maybe you fix a tiny bug, improve a piece of a documentation, or simply ask mentor how you can prepare better. This does the two things. It helps you understand the project and it shows that the mentor that you are serious, not just applying for the stipend. While you are doing this, you start preparing your proposal. This is the document that decides your fate. A proposal includes your project idea, why it's important, how you plan to build it, what timeline you will follow, and why you are a good fit. Don't think your proposal has to sound overly fancy. It just needs to be clear, realistic, and well structured. And here's a tip. Many organizations post the successful proposal from the previous year. Go read them. You will understand exactly how much detail to include and what mentors are looking for. When the contributor application window opens, likely around the late March 2026, you will submit your proposal through the GSoC official website. After that, there is a waiting period until the results are announced, usually around the May. If you are selected, the next phase is something called the community bonding. This is like the warm-up phase. You talk to your mentor, understand the code base better, finalize your timeline, and get ready to start the coding. Then, the official coding period begins around early June. For the next few weeks, you will implement your project step by step. There are the midterms evaluation where the mentor review your progress and a final evaluation at the end. If everything goes well, you complete the project successfully and officially become a GSoC contributor. One of the best part about GSoC is that you don't need to be a genius to get selected. You don't need to know everything. You just need to be consistent, curious, and willing to learn. People think the GSoC is only for the top coder, but that's not true. Mentors look for the effort, communication, clarity, and dedication. GSoC is not a test, it's a collaboration. Before I wrap up, let me say one thing. If you are watching this and even slightly dreaming of a part of a GSoC, don't ignore that feeling. Even if you start with a small reading documentation, fixing a tiny bug, asking a doubt, you are moving the closure. This program has helped thousands of students build their career, land the job in the top company, and gain the global exposure. And you could be the next. If you found this video helpful and want a full step-by-step GSoC 2026 checklist or a beginner roadmap tailored for your skill level, then comment down below and tell me. I will make it for you. And don't forget to follow for more videos like this.